Now, the more observant amongst you may have noticed I've got a bit of an error here. I've actually suspended the car from the section that I need to remove. I did that intentionally. I still had quite a lot of weight in the rear end of the car with the axle, so I wanted somewhere firm. There's no trim, there's nothing in this car at all now, it's just a body frame, so it's very, very light. So I'm proposing to suspend the car from the sills, just on blocks of wood. The sills are strong enough. Just so that I can do the work to remove the sections. I can't see any other area that the legs of the ramp will reach to that are structurally sound enough. I can't move to this point because the centre of gravity will be all wrong and the car will end up tipping over on my head, which I don't really fancy. So I think what I'll do, because of some of the forces that are going to be involved, I'm actually probably going to start prying away some of the welds now whilst it's still held in the current position, and then lower the car down and reposition the jacking point to do the final parts of the removal. So I'll stop at various stages through the work just to show you where I've got to and capture any difficult points that I get to.